Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you the entire process of building a homemade washing machine using simple, recycled materials. First, I start with a large plastic container that will serve as the washing drum. I measure and cut the container into two parts. And then drill holes at the bottom for the motor mount and another hole on the side for the water drain. Next, I cut some old square steel tubes I found in the storage room. I measure everything again and weld them into a strong frame to support the washing drum. After that, I salvaged the rusty motor from an old broken washing machine. I clean it up. Bolt it down and weld it onto the metal frame so it connects directly to the drum. Then I wire up the power supply. And run a quick test to check if the motor spins smoothly. Once everything works fine, I repaint the motor to make it look cleaner and prevent rust. On the outside, I install a drain pipe for the washing tub. And of course, inside the drum, I add the spinning plate, the heart of the washing system that creates the swirling water flow. And just like that, my homemade washing machine is complete. Now let's try it out and see how it performs. The swirling and agitation force is surprisingly strong. Definitely a useful and creative little build. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY projects.